Welcome to Hoang Yen Canary Hotel, where comfort and convenience await in the heart of Quy Nhon's coastal charm. Scan the QR code on your screen to book your stay and begin your journey into effortless elegance. Nestled along the sun-kissed shores of Binh Dinh, this inviting retreat offers 50 thoughtfully designed rooms, each a sanctuary of tranquility after a day of exploring the city's vibrant energy. Check-in begins at 2 p.m., allowing you to settle into your refined haven, while a generous checkout until 12 p.m. ensures your mornings remain unhurried and serene. Families are warmly embraced here. Children aged 6 to 11 stay free, making it an ideal escape for those seeking both relaxation and cherished moments together. But the true allure lies in the hotel's premier entertainment offerings. Picture yourself savoring expertly crafted cocktails at the stylish bar, where mixologists transform each sip into an experience. Unwind further with a rejuvenating massage, or surrender to the joy of karaoke, where laughter and melodies fill the air. Complimentary breakfasts greet you each morning, while convenient parking and express check-in services ensure every detail is effortlessly attended to. Whether here for leisure or business, Hoang Yen Canary Hotel blends modern comforts with the warmth of Vietnamese hospitality. Don't forget, secure your stay today by scanning the QR code on screen and prepare to indulge in a getaway where every moment is designed to delight.